Project reporting. Just the words themselves can sometimes conjure images of tedious spreadsheets, endless email chains, and the nagging feeling that crucial information is getting lost in the shuffle. For project managers and stakeholders alike, clear, concise, and timely reporting is the lifeblood of successful projects. It provides visibility into progress, highlights potential roadblocks, and ultimately informs decision-making. In today's fast-paced project landscape, relying on outdated or inefficient reporting methods simply isn't sustainable. This is where modern project management platforms like Nifty come into play. Nifty is designed to centralize project information and offer powerful features that can significantly facilitate and enhance the entire project reporting process. Think of it as your project's central nervous system, gathering data and presenting it in a way that's both informative and actionable. So, how exactly does Nifty empower better project reporting? Let's delve into the key ways this platform can transform how you track and communicate project progress. 1. Centralized data repository, the foundation of effective reporting. One of the biggest hurdles in project reporting is often scattered information. Teams might be using different tools for task management, communication, and file sharing, making it a nightmare to consolidate data for reports. Nifty solves this by providing a unified platform where all project-related information resides. Task management. Nifty's robust task management features allow you to track the status of individual tasks, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and monitor progress visually through Kanban boards, list views, or Gantt charts. This real-time task data forms the core of your progress reports. File sharing. Integrated file sharing ensures that all relevant documents, from project plans to deliverables, are stored centrally and easily accessible. This eliminates the need to hunt through emails for the latest version of a report or document. Communication. Nifty's built-in communication tools, including team chat and direct messaging, keep conversations within the project context. This makes it easier to track discussions and decisions that might be relevant to reporting. By having all this information in one place, Nifty eliminates the data silos that often plague project reporting, making it significantly easier to gather and analyze the necessary information. 2. Real-time progress tracking. Say goodbye to stale reports. Traditional reporting often involves manual data collection and compilation, which can be time-consuming and lead to reports that are already outdated by the time they're generated. Nifty offers real-time progress tracking, providing an up-to-the-minute view of project status. Progress bars and milestones. Visual progress bars for tasks and milestones offer an immediate understanding of how much work has been completed and whether the project is on track to meet key deadlines. Time tracking. Nifty's time tracking capabilities allow team members to log the time spent on specific tasks. This data is invaluable for understanding resource allocation, identifying potential bottlenecks, and accurately reporting on effort expended. Burn-down charts. For teams using agile methodologies, Nifty's burn-down charts provide a visual representation of the remaining work against the planned timeline, helping to predict potential delays. With real-time data at your fingertips, you can generate reports that accurately reflect the current state of the project, enabling proactive decision-making and timely interventions if issues arise. 3. Customizable reporting features. Tailoring reports to your needs. Different stakeholders often require different levels of detail and perspectives in project reports. Nifty understands this and offers customizable reporting features that allow you to tailor reports to specific audiences. Project overview reports. These reports provide a high-level summary of the project's overall progress, key milestones, and potential risks, ideal for executive stakeholders. Task progress reports. Detailed reports on task completion, overdue tasks, and resource allocation can be generated for team members and project managers. Time tracking reports. These reports provide insights into team productivity, billable hours, and project costing. Custom report creation. Nifty often allows users to create custom reports by selecting specific data points and visualizations, ensuring that the report focuses on the information that matters most. The ability to customize reports ensures that stakeholders receive the information they need in a format that is easy for them to understand, improving communication and alignment. 4. Visualizations and dashboards, making data understandable. Raw data can be overwhelming and difficult to interpret. Nifty utilizes visual elements like charts, graphs, and dashboards to present project information in a clear and concise manner. Progress charts, visual representations of task completion and milestone progress, make it easy to quickly grasp the project's overall status. Resource allocation charts. These charts provide insights into how team members are allocated across different tasks, helping to identify potential over- or underutilization. Burn-down charts. As mentioned earlier, these charts offer a visual representation of work progress in agile projects. Customizable dashboards. Project managers can often create personalized dashboards that display key project metrics at a glance, providing a real-time overview of project health. By transforming raw data into easily digestible visuals, Nifty makes it simpler for everyone involved to understand project performance and identify areas that require attention. 5. Collaboration and communication. Reporting as a team effort. Project reporting isn't just about generating documents. It's also about communicating findings and fostering discussion. Nifty's collaborative features facilitate this aspect of reporting. Sharing reports. Reports generated within Nifty can be easily shared with relevant stakeholders, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. In-platform feedback. Some platforms allow stakeholders to provide feedback directly on reports within the system, streamlining the review process. Automated notifications. Nifty can often be configured to send automated notifications about project progress, upcoming deadlines, or potential risks, keeping stakeholders informed without the need for manual reporting. By integrating collaboration and communication into the reporting process, Nifty ensures that reports are not just static documents but rather tools for ongoing dialogue and decision-making. In conclusion, Nifty as your project reporting ally.